This has been such an amazing experience, and I don't think I would change it for the world.
The bond that we have created will outlive all of us. So the welcoming ceremony was wonderful, and it really set the stage for why we're here.
Right now we're at Mwituria Secondary School in Nanyuki, Kenya, which is about 4 hours north of Nairobi. We're here to install a solar panel project to help power the computer lab and also help assist in generating power for the water board to produce enough water for the community.
They do not have electricity, they do not have access to water.
The students have to do their things in the darkness and walk around in the darkness. So a lot of learning time is wasted. And when they leave to go and fetch water, by the time they come back, they are too tired even to do studies.
1, 2, 3.
GivePower!
Twende kazi.
We are so excited actually. We have never seen a computer, don't know how to use it, but it's a very great advantage.
The amount of pride that they already have in their school, I know will just be elevated by having access to those computers.
Watoto wetu wataelevuka, hata sisi wasasi tunaweza kuelevuka na watoto.
So the manual labour, I think, was new for all of us. We are very much computer office people, but the opportunity to just really roll up our sleeves, I just think it was a really lovely experience.
I'm very excited for the lighting ceremony. I think it's going to be a very emotional moment.
Seeing everybody's faces when the lights turned on was kind of a surreal moment.
I'm excited.
Wow!
Be so happy to see the computer lab is now powered up, the school is now powered up.
Asante sana GivePower.